Good afternoon, everyone. This is Matt over at MilestoneCapitalGrowthPortfolio.com. Today is Thursday, December 11th. Christmas is coming early for us. If you're not in the live chat room, one of the benefits is the amazing calls. It's just that simple. We're day trading different stocks, and we're playing options. We also have set up a new room because we're getting big and as long-term in investments, which has about 20 people in it. And the main room has about 70, so we're really growing fast. And once the new website comes out and all the new tools are in place, you will definitely reap the rewards of having a lifetime membership for $6.99, because it will not be that price any longer. So make sure you join today, because tomorrow's going to be absolutely awesome, and triple witching next Friday. So for option players, we are going to have a big week. And one of the other things is historically the 17th, the 7th through the 15th is pretty much a down week, and that's the average for the market. And the 16th through the 21st, guess what that is? Well, come into the chat room and you'll find out, because we have it all planned out and we are going to make huge money into the first of the year. Okay, let's get right to SPY. SPY, like I said in the video on Monday, we're going to we should be dropping 700 points this week. That's going to be my target, and we're still staying true to that. We reaped huge rewards today. In the last 4 weeks, we've had EMES was 1,600%. So we had also Amazon was, I think, 1,600% also. And we had another one for 1,200%. Not sure I forgot what that one was. And then we're going for 900% so far on SPY this week. So, and the way we're doing that is we're trading through the charts, and it's just that simple, and we're using the options. So right now you can see the SPY. I said over here that right down to here is 190 my target. I'm going to get my target probably by Tuesday, I think, Monday or Tuesday. But you can see, we were about 800% here, and this was beautiful. Nice upside today, right up to the middle of Bollinger Band. Absolutely gorgeous. We loaded puts at that point, so we're up another 300% right now to the downside, which is great. And we're going to finish this off, and we're going to ride it right down to here. So make sure you're with us tomorrow so you can catch these huge gainers with us. It's not just SPY and it's not just options. There's so much more. You're learning at the same time. So make sure you're there. It's going to be a fun time. $6.99. You cannot beat it. All right. PCLN. PCLN, as I said, it's just not doing it. It just doesn't have it in it. And once we get down to this level here, we'll be much better off. We should tag this tomorrow. Those puts are working out just fine. So once we get to 1093, somewhere in that area, that should be pretty level for that one, unless we get a really exciting day tomorrow and we get down to 1033. So that'll be even more exciting. So we'll keep an eye on PCLN for that. Make sure you're with us, because it's going to be a fun day. Facebook did a great job today. Here's a downtrend line. Look what it did. Broke the downtrend line. I told you to keep an eye on that. Hope you listened, because it did a fantastic job. If it breaks this, you get calls. If it breaks this, you get puts. But that was up here more. It was like somewhere in there. But anyway, you can see what happened here. It came into a pinch and decided what it's going to do. Had a lot of support here. Had the trend line. Had the middle Bollinger Band. Had the 50-day moving average. It decided to head north. Almost closed the gap. We're about to close that gap. We should close that gap tomorrow. So another huge profit maker on that one. How's the Russell doing? Russell is cranking. All right, this is the Russell Bear, and we were talking about this the other day, and this thing has been just shooting up like a rocket. Okay, it's getting a little overexposed here on the daily, but swinging out to the monthly, you can see there's much more room to get up here. Okay, we got a double top up here that we're going to probably get to. I'd say right around the 42. So another $10 from where it is right now, but it definitely broke the downtrend line. Really started curving up to the upside when high volume. You're only at 63 here on your relative strength index, so plan on getting to the 42. That should work out just fine as a trade. All right. Let's look at two more here real quick. HD. Mr. Home Depot. It's riding this Bollinger Band pretty tight here and had a nice spike today, but pulled it back with all the other selling also. Keep an eye on this tomorrow because I think a great entry for this is 98.55 and to go long because this chart is just set up to continue to the upside. It's actually beautiful. So HD looks really good. And also AA. I want to swing AA out a little bit, okay? We were talking about this for a while. You could see here I have some goofy stuff on this all the yellow and lines and everything like this. But we've been doing this since they came out of their off the Dow, and I'll show you how we plan this out. Let's get it over to the monthly. You could see the perfect trend that it was in, and this is what we were working to the upside. It really worked out fantastic, and we were going to the puts was after it broke this channel to the upside, and it's really doing well right now. And so the target's going to be the middle Bollinger Band here, and it's going to be at right around 1242. That's going to hold the support before we start heading up to the upside again, and we will, because our long-term target's going to be 55 on this one, and it will hit it. We're just in this consolidation box right now. I said it was going to come off of this after we broke the middle Bollinger Band, and we come up to the top of this box, and look at that, to the dollar, right to the 100-day moving average. You can't beat that trade. All right, now we're going to run it to the downside, and we're going to catch this middle Bollinger Band here, and if all goes well, that should happen by, I would say February. February should be perfect for that, so we get that 12 in that area. It might happen a little bit faster and then reverse, so we'll have to see what happens. All right, this is Matt over at milestonecapitalgrowthportfolio.com. Click on the link, okay? Click on the link on the video. Become a member today. It's $6.99. It's not going to last much longer, okay? Take advantage of this opportunity. It's going to be huge for you in the long run, okay? I'm showing you the trades. I'm showing you the profits. All right, everyone, have yourself a fantastic night. See